close. That's been 20 to 50 years. Oh yeah, but we put a man on the moon.
See, that's the big one.
Who said that?
Bryce. Bryce is a no-mooner. Is it a no-mooner or a mooner? Waiting.
Look at how flat it is out here, and that's why the sky looks so great. It's like Kansas. Look.
First time you do anything nice about this area.
It's the sky. I don't really like Phoenix. I don't. Heading back to LA right now, which I'm happy about, but it feels like it's too soon. I feel like we have more time here. I can't explain why. I don't really like Phoenix, so should be ecstatic to be going back, huh?
You said it 24 times a day.
But look, we got barbecue at somewhere back here. We got amazing. So that's another good thing about Phoenix. Barbecues. If anybody watches this video, barbecues in Phoenix. That is like the best barbecue ever. Well, maybe in the top 3. But wow.
What are the other two?
Found amazing. I don't know, somewhere in Kansas City and somewhere else in St. Louis. Or Lucille's in Shane in LA. Look at this. All we got is a big ear. Oh, big ear and a big nose. Right there. Oh, now I just got a big nostril. And we're listening to Johnny Cash because it's good road tripping tunes. Look at that. Look if we can see. Oh, look at this. I wonder if I can zoom in. You can see us in the back of this guy's truck. That's us. We rented a Toyota Corolla. Hello, Freeway. Hello. Hello. All right, I guess I should end this. We'll end it right at 2 minutes. Got 6 seconds left for this nose shot. And done.